Hello kids and welcome to my science tutorial for kids. In today's exercise, we want to do the dot to dot and color exercise, and in this example we'll be looking at the dot to dot and color exercise for banana. Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Very good. As always, for the dot to dot exercise, we have a reference picture here on our left hand side, and under that we have the portion where we will write our names. And then on our right side of the screen, as you guys can see over here, let me use a highlighter for that. As you guys can see over here on the right hand side over here, we have the incomplete version of the banana. So what we are going to do is that we are going to connect the dots from 1 to 2 all the way till the last number over here to complete the drawing of the banana, and then from there we'll proceed to add some colors, and that is the fun part about this exercise. So let's start by looking at the first thing we need to do, and that is to write our name on our worksheet. Okay, so I'm going to choose a black. Obviously you are using a pencil, I'm also using a pencil, so I'm going to use a black color to write my name. So my name in this example, so let me just use my actual name. All right, so my name here is Samuel, so I'll write my name Samuel, Samuel, Samuel. So that is my name. All right, so as you can see the dot to dot exercise over here, we are going to connect the dot from 1 to 2, from 2 to 3, from 3 to 4, all the way to 18. So let's start by doing that. So I'll connect the dot. So I have here from 1, so I'll connect from 1 to 2, as you can see over there, and from 2 to 3, and from 3 to 4. Okay, so it's just like counting numbers from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5, all the way, and so on and so forth. So now that we've reached number 4, the next number obviously is 5. So we connect from 4 to 5, from 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10. Now try to do it as freely as possible, right? Your lines don't have to be straight, they can be crooked, they can be zigzag, any shape at all. That is the beauty of dot to dot exercise. You don't have to be perfect, but you have to be unique in your own way, right? All right, so let's proceed. So from 10 we move to 11, from 11 to 12, from 12 to 13, then from 13 to 14, from 14 to 15, from 15 to 16, from 16 to 17, and then lastly from 17 to 18. Beautiful. So this gives us the whole layout of the banana. So now that we are done with the layout of the banana, the next thing we need to do is to go in there and color the banana, right? Okay, so if you look at the banana that we have, the reference banana we have over here, we can see the color green at the top over here. Then the banana itself is yellow, and then we can see a little bit of brown color at the base of the banana. So what we are going to do is that if we look at the drawing, we can see that when we are done, the brown portion is not showing, so I'll connect the 7 and 9 over here, okay, just to give that brown portion to room for us to color it. So what we'll do here is that I'll go in there and go and choose my green color. Now for you guys will be using color pencils. Okay, I have a bunch of it over here. So if you have the work exercise, the link will be in the description of this video, so you can download the worksheet for this exercise and print it for your kids, so they can use color pencils, or you kids, you're supposed to use color pencils for this particular work. All right, so let me just put it here. Okay, so whilst we do that, you just choose green, any type of green, okay, that there's or this light green, dark green, it doesn't really matter at this point because green is green for us. So we are going to use green, and then we'll go in there and then our we'll color our banana. So we'll use the green and then we'll start coloring. Okay, this is the fun part. So we'll color the top over here. Try as much as possible to have your color within the lines, but if it goes out, it's also beautiful regardless. That's the beauty of art. You know what? I should even make it go outside a little, just a little bit, right? Okay, beautiful, beautiful. So now that we are done with the green side, let's go ahead and do the yellow portion. We can also do the brown portion first, but let's just do the brown portion. So color here, uh, slightly brown because this is the color that is closest to brown that I have. So I'm gonna color that place a little like this. Okay, very good. So the next thing we want to do is to color the body of the banana, and that is going to be yellow. Are we okay? So what I'll do is I'll pick this, then I'll select my yellow, and then I'll go in here and color the banana over here to be yellow. Okay, so let me just do that. Yellow for banana. Banana. Okay, so just freehand sketch using your color pencil or your crayon. Just go in there and then let loose. Okay, just color the banana as nicely as you can and as beautiful as you can. Okay, so you can see that this is coming out very great, very beautiful, very nicely. Okay, so basically we are done. You can see that mine, almost the yellow is inside the yellow is inside the lines, but I mean you can have them go a little bit outside it. I mean it's still going to be beautiful. Okay, it's still going to be beautiful, it's still going to be nice, it's still going to be awesome. Let's just mess around a little bit. Okay, okay. The beauty at this point is not in perfection, because perfection doesn't exist. The beauty is in going a little bit beyond the boundaries and exploring for yourself just how beautiful things can be when they allow them to go beyond the boundaries. So yes, we can see this is the full and then the final drawing of the banana after we are done coloring. Right now, this is too early for us to go into the shades, the darker portion, the lighter portion of the banana, but this is how your exercise or your worksheet should look like after you, the young one watching me right now, go in there and do the dot to dot connection and also put in the colors using your crayon or your color pencil. So thank you so much for watching. I believe you enjoyed today's dot to dot and color exercise just as much as I did, and I will see you in the next video. Now, if you love this session, make sure you subscribe to my science tutorial for kids, as we have a lot of worksheets, exercise for kids coming up next for you. So thank you once again, and like the video, share with your friends, and bye bye.